Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade futures on TD Ameritrade. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started with this exciting market. Futures trading involves contracts to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price on a future date. It's a powerful tool for speculation and hedging, but it also carries significant risk. We'll guide you through the process, from account setup to placing your first trade, ensuring you understand the fundamentals. To begin, you'll need an approved TD Ameritrade brokerage account. Once your account is open, you must apply for futures trading privileges, which involves answering questions about your financial experience and risk tolerance. This step is crucial for compliance and to ensure you understand the complexities of futures. Be aware of the minimum funding requirements, which can vary, often starting around $1,500 for certain futures products. With your account ready, access the Thinkorswim platform, TD Ameritrade's advanced trading tool. Here, you can find various futures contracts, from commodities to indices. Choose your contract, then select an order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Always review the initial and maintenance margin requirements for your chosen contract. These are the funds needed to open and hold your position, typically a small percentage of the contract's total value. Effective risk management is paramount in futures trading. Always consider using stop-loss orders to automatically close a position if the market moves against you, helping to protect your capital. Never risk more than a small percentage of your total trading capital on any single trade. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can also help mitigate concentrated risk. For more great resources and deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Remember, continuous learning is key to success in these dynamic markets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.